I want to thank our Father who art in heaven, the Lord God Almighty, who recently blessed my journey when I traveled to the land of Israel to purchase this Bible. The Bible which General Muhoozi will hold in his right hand during the swearing ceremony as the 10th president of the Republic of Uganda. I want again to thank the people who raised money for my travel expenses and for the purchase of this Bible. I want to thank Honorable Michael Mawanda, our chief mobilizer in PLU. I want to thank Honorable David Kabanda, PLU Secretary General. I want to thank Honorable Dr. Minister Balam Balugahara. Thank you for all the monies you raised for my travel expenses. I want to thank all the PLU members and all the well-wishers for your prayers. Thank you. I traveled well. I came back well. May God bless General Muhoozi. May God bless His Excellency, the President of Uganda, and Mama Janet Yoweri Museveni. May God bless Uganda.